He who observes the Raksha Bandhana according to the rituals of the people, he will be free from all the faults and happy in a year. ಧನ್ಯವಾದः.
ಮೈ ಮೃದುಲ ದೇಹ ಕುಶಲ ಸಾಧುಲ ಅತಿ ಸರಳ ಮೈ ಮೃದುಲ ಗೃಹ ಕುಶಲ ಸಾಧುಲ ಮಮ ಮಾತಾ ದೇವತಾ ಮಮ ಮಾತಾ ದೇವತಾ ಪಾಯತಿ ದುರ್ಗಂ ಭುಜಯತಿ ಭಗಂ लालयति नित्यं तुष्यति चित्तं पायति दूतं भुजयति भगं लालयति नित्यं तुष्यति चित्तं तुष्यति चित्तं तुष्यति चित्तं मम माता देवता मम माता देवता सायंकाले नीराजयति पाठयति च मां शुभं करोति सायंकाले नीराजयति पाठयति च मां शुभं करोति शुभं करोति शुभं करोति शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः दुष्टबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिः
सर्वेभ्यः सम्प्रति वार्ता श्रूयन्तां प्रवाचिकावृष्टिः। अन्ताराष्ट्रीयवार्ता प्रधानमन्त्री नरेन्द्रमोदी महोदयः ब्रेज़िल् देशेन सह वाणिज्यव्यवहाराय समयं कृतवन्तः। राष्ट्रीयवार्ता उत्तराकाश्यां मेघस्फोटस्य कारणात् बहवः मृताः, बहु नष्टं च अभवत्। राज्यवार्ता राज्यसभायां वर्षकालस्य अधिवेशनं प्रारब्धम्, अतिवृष्टिकारणात् सर्वत्र जलोपप्लवः सञ्जातः। शालावार्ता अग्रिमसप्ताहे 12 दिनाङ्के स्वातन्त्र्यदिनाचरणस्य स्पर्धाः भविष्यन्ति। 15 दिनाङ्के स्वातन्त्र्यदिनाचरणमस्ति। सेप्टेम्बर् मासस्य 2 सप्ताहे मध्यावधिपरीक्षा अस्ति। धन्यवादः।
ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता अथ सप्तमोऽध्यायः। ज्ञानविज्ञानयोगः। श्रीभगवानुवाच मय्यासक्तमनः पार्थ योगं युञ्जन्मदाश्रयः असंशयं च समग्रं मां यतः ज्ञास्यसि तच्छृणु। ज्ञानं तेऽहं सविज्ञानम् इदं वक्ष्याम्यशेषतः। यज्ञात्वा नेह भूयोऽन्यत् ज्ञातव्यमवशिष्यते। मनुष्याणां सहस्रेषु कश्चिद्यतति सिद्धये यतथामपि सिद्धानां कश्चिन्मां वेति तत्त्वतः। भूमिरापो नलो वायुः खं मनो बुद्धिरेव च। अहंकार इतीयं मे भिन्ना प्रकृतिरष्टता। अपरेयमितस्त्वन्यां प्रकृतिं विद्धि मे परां। जीवभूता महाबाहो ययेदं धार्यते जगत्। ॐ श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु।
अद्य अहं संस्कृतस्य महत्त्वं विषये भाषामि। संस्कृतभाषा अस्माकं देशस्य प्राचीनतमा भाषा अस्ति। प्राचीनकाले सर्वे जनाः संस्कृतभाषाम् एव वदन्ति स्म। 4 वेदाः ऋग्वेदः, सामवेदः, यजुर्वेदः, अथर्ववेदः इति। रामायणः, महाभारतः, भगवद्गीता इत्यादि ग्रन्थाः संस्कृतभाषायाम् एव विरचितानि। संस्कृतभाषायाः अध्ययनेन वाणी निर्दोषा भवति। संस्कृतभाषायां बहूनि गेयानि, मधुराणि च सुभाषितानि सन्ति। संस्कृतम् आयुर्वेदस्य, सङ्गीतस्य च भाषा अस्ति। संस्कृते भारतीय संस्कृतिः अस्ति। अतः संस्कृतस्य प्रचारार्थ अभिवृद्ध्यार्थ श्रावणमासस्य पूर्णिमायां वयं संस्कृतदिनम् आचरामः। भिन्नभिन्नसंस्कृतकार्यक्रमान् कुर्मः। संस्कृतस्य प्रचारं कुर्मः। जयतु संस्कृतं, जयतु भारतम्। धन्यवादः।
स्वागतं सर्वेभ्यः। अधुना अहं रामायणम् इति पुस्तकस्य विषये किञ्चित् वदामि। वाल्मीकिमुनिना विरचितं रामायणं भारतस्य प्राचीनतमं महाकाव्यम् अस्ति। अयं ग्रन्थः 6 सर्गेषु विभक्तः 8,000 सहस्रैः श्लोकैः युक्तः अस्ति। अत्र रामस्य जीवनयात्रा, अयोध्यायाः राजपुत्रत्वं, वनवासः, सीताहरणं, रावणवधः च सीतायाः पुनरावर्तनं च विस्तारेण वर्णितं। रामस्य धर्मनिष्ठा, सीतायाः पतिव्रत्यं, लक्ष्मणस्य भ्रातृभक्तिः, हनुमतः सेवाभावः च अस्माकं जीवनाय आदर्शरूपेण स्थितानि। कथायां धर्मस्य, कर्मणं, कर्तव्यस्य च गूढानि तत्त्वानि निहितानि सन्ति। रामायणं न केवलं धार्मिकग्रन्थम् अपि तु सांस्कृतिकं, नैतिकं, शिक्षादायकं च अस्ति। अद्यापि अयं ग्रन्थः भारतवर्षे च विश्वे च लोकानां हृदयानि स्पृशन्ति। धन्यवादः।
निर्मलगङ्गा जलपूता सततचिन्तनं मम मनसि सदा तव पदयुगलं संस्कृति सततचिन्तनं भावरागलय तालमेलनं भावरागलय तालमेलनं जय भारत जननी जय भारत जननी भारत माता बुध जनगीता निर्मल गंगा जलपूता शिरसि विराजित हिमगिरिमुकुटं चरणे इन्दुमहोदधि सलिलं गगने सस्यलतातरुवसनं जय भारत जननी जय भारत जननी जय भारत जननी जय भारत जननी.
And a warm welcome to everyone present here. I am Kashi Shetty from class 8A and I want to speak a few lines about Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is a festival that celebrates beautiful bond between sisters and brothers. It's time for sisters to tie Rakhi for their brother's wrist. In return, the brother promises to protect their sister and shower them with gifts. This festival is not about rituals, it's about deep love, care, and responsibility that we share with our siblings. It's a reminder to everyone to cherish the bond and always support each other. Thank you, one and all.
अद्य कः विशेषः?
हे त्वं न जानासि वा अद्य विश्वसंस्कृतदिनं
रक्षाबन्धनदिनमपि
आहो एवं वा भवन्तः कथम् आचरन्ति?
सरलं रक्षाबन्धनम् अस्माकं संस्कृतिः अत्र भगिनी भ्रातुः हस्ते रक्षाबन्धनं करोति
आं न च रक्षाबन्धनम् अन्येषां हस्ते अपि कर्तुं शक्नोति
एवं वा आसक्तिदायकः अस्ति एषः विषयः किमर्थं रक्षाबन्धनम् आचरामः?
एकदा युद्धसन्दर्भे श्रीकृष्णस्य हस्ते व्रणः जातः तदा द्रौपदी स्वशाटिकां खण्डयित्वा वन्दित्वा रक्तस्रावं स्थागितवती
तदा कृष्णः तस्य रक्षणं करोमि इति वचनं दत्तवान् एवमेव यमयमुनायोः कथा अपि अस्ति बलिचक्रवर्तीलक्ष्म्योः कथा अस्ति रक्षाबन्धनविषये
अहो बहु समीचीनम् अहमपि मम अनुजस्य हस्ते रक्षाबन्धनं करोमि
ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. नमस्ते शारदा देवी काश्मीरपुरवासिनी त्वामहं प्रार्थये नित्यं विद्यां बुद्धिं च देहि मे. नमः सर्वेभ्यः. I am extremely delighted to see a large number of students here assembled very neatly and watching all these beautiful programs. You are really lucky to get admission to this great institution. You must consider yourself very fortunate to be studying in this very reputed school which promotes all Indian culture. It is necessary that we should always associate ourselves with good things. Why? Gunavajjana samsargat yati swalpopi gauravam. Even a small ordinary person also get recognition if he associates himself or herself with good persons or good institutions. Pushpamalanu shangena sutram shirasi dharyate. They give an example, even an ordinary thread or a twine gets recognition if it gets associated itself with flowers. So, all young students here studying here, I am sure your success in future is assured as long as you continue yourself associating in good things. Now all these programs, they have already highlighted India's great past. We had a very rich heritage. We were so excelled in multiple fields like Ayurveda, Sangeeta, metallurgy, mathematics, science, everything. All this knowledge was inbuilt in the books written in Sanskrit, Sanskritam. So knowing Sanskritam is the key to unlock the knowledge which is deposited in all these books. Kanadam Paniniyancha Sarva Shastropakarakam. As long as you learn Sanskrit, you can excel yourself in multiple fields. So it is necessary that all of us should know Sanskrit. But what happened was, unfortunately, India was, invaded by foreign invaders, and India was under foreign rule for many centuries. So what they did is to destruct India, they showed less respect to Sanskritam and tried to destroy the traditional Indian knowledge system. So they could easily achieve it by vilifying Sanskrit. And unfortunately, even after the independence, the importance of Sanskrit was not realized early. Of course, subsequently they have realized. It is because of the greatness of the language itself. Nabhisheko na samskaraha simhasya kriyate vane. Vane simhasya abhishekaha kepi na kurvanti. Nobody is giving the kingship to lion in the forest. Then how the lion becomes king of forest? Vikramarjita satvasya swayameva mrigendrata. It becomes the king by its own power. Similarly, Sanskrit has regained its importance, and all our government and everyone is luckily is realizing the importance of Sanskrit. That is the reason this Samskrita Saptaha is observed every Shravana Masa Purnima Titihi. Vishnupriya, I think her name is Vishnupriya, while telling Adyatanasya Panchangam, she said, Adya Shravana Nakshatram Purnima Titihi iti. Actually, that lunar month where the Purnima happens on a particular nakshatra, Shravana Nakshatra is Shravana Masa. If the Purnima Tithi comes on Vishakha Nakshatra, it becomes Vaishakha Masa. India's knowledge system is so scientific. Only thing is it's up to us to realize its importance, and how it can be achieved only by knowing Sanskrit. So with all this, we are started observing the importance of Sanskrit through this Samskrita Saptaha. As in the Prahasana, they have already told it is observed on a Shravana Masa Purnima Tithi. It is because it is believed that the great sage Panini was born on Shravana Masasya Purnima. That is why this week is celebrated. I am happy that all of you students have assembled here and observing this. And most of the programs was so delightful to hear. It was in Sanskrit. And most of the students here, when you continue your further education, I am sure you may follow different paths. Some may go to medicine, engineering or law. Some may take up business. Some may be housewives. Some may be doing agriculture. Whatever be the field, you please try to study Sanskrit to the extent possible. Because it is said, Jalabindu nipatena kramashaha puryate ghataha. Even a small drop of water, if it falls on a pot for a longer period of time, the pot gets filled. Sahetu sarva vidyanam dharmasya cha dhanasya cha. That is how you should accumulate knowledge, whether it is vidya, dhana or dharma. It is to be accumulated part by part. So whatever be the field, you please study Sanskrit. That is my one and only message about Samskrita Saptaha during this occasion, because all other matters my predecessors have already told. Ivattu Shravana Masa, ಹುಣ್ಣಿಮೆ ತಿಥಿ, ಋಗ್ ಯಜುರುಪಾಕರ್ಮವನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದರಂತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಮುಖವಾದ ಹಬ್ಬ ರಕ್ಷಾಬಂಧನ. ಅದರ ಮಹತ್ವವನ್ನು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ವಸ್ತುತಃ ಭ್ರಾತೃತ್ವದ ಸಂಕೇತ. ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಮನೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಒಂದೇ ಮಗು ಇರುವ ಕಾರಣ ಭ್ರಾತೃತ್ವದ ಆ ಒಂದು ಕಲ್ಪನೆ ಕಡಿಮೆಯಾಗಿರಬಹುದು. ಆದರೆ ಪ್ರಾಚೀನ ಕಾಲದಿಂದಲೇ ಸಹೋದರ ಭಾವವನ್ನು ಅಭಿವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಪಡಿಸುವಂತಹ ಈ ಒಂದು ಹಬ್ಬ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೇರಣೆದಾಯಕ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಮಣಿಬಂಧದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಟ್ಟುವಂತಹ ಆ ರಕ್ಷಾ ಸೂತ್ರ ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಜ್ಞಾಪಿಸುತ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಆ ಸಹೋದರ ಭ್ರಾತೃತ್ವವನ್ನು, ಸಹೋದರ ಪ್ರೇಮ ವಾತ್ಸಲ್ಯವನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಆ ರಕ್ಷಣೆಗೆ ಕಟಿಬದ್ಧವಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ದ್ಯೋತಕತನವನ್ನು ಈ ರಕ್ಷಾ ಸೂತ್ರವು ಅಭಿವಂದಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದಂತೆ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣನದ್ದಾಗಿರಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಆ ದಾನವೇಂದ್ರ ಮಹಾಬಲಿಯದ್ದಾಗಿರಲಿ, ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸುಮಾರು ಶ್ಲೋಕಗಳುಂಟು. ಏನ ಬದ್ಧೋ ಬಲಿರಾಜ ದಾನವೇಂದ್ರೋ ಮಹಾಬಲಃ ತೇನ ತ್ವಾಂ ಅನುಬಧ್ನಾಮಿ ರಕ್ಷೆ ಮಾಚಲ ಅಂತ ಹಲವು ಶ್ಲೋಕಗಳುಂಟು. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಅದರ ತಾತ್ಪರ್ಯ ಇಷ್ಟೇ, ಸಹೋದರ ಪ್ರೇಮ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯನ್ನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪರಿಚಯಿಸ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಹಬ್ಬ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ಡ್ that the school gives so much of importance to the Indian tradition. ಸನಾತನ ಧರ್ಮದ ಹಲವು ಹಬ್ಬ ಹರಿದಿನಗಳ ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಹತ್ವವನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸುವಂತೆ ಇಂತಹ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಆಯೋಜಿಸುವುದು ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿಯೂ ಸುಲಭವಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಶಾಲೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಅವರ ಆ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಅಥವಾ ಆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿಗೆ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಹಲವು ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಗಳ ಎಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಈ ರೀತಿಯ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯನ್ನು ಅಭಿವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗೊಳಿಸುವಂತಹ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಆಯೋಜಿಸುವುದರಿಂದ ಶಾಲಾ ಆಡಳಿತ ವರ್ಗಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ಅಭಿನಂದಾರ್ಹರು. ಮತ್ತು ಇಂಥ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಆಯೋಜನೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು, ಶಿಕ್ಷಕಿಯರು ಮತ್ತು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕೇತರ ವೃಂದದವರೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಪರಿಶ್ರಮ ಪಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಡಿಲೈಟೆಡ್ that all these programs were conducted by these young students here. That shows, they get more practice. I'm sure making all these programs in front of 900 students, it is not easy. They may commit some small mistakes. At this stage of life, you forget about small mistakes here and there. You should have more and more practice. So I'm extremely delighted that most of the programs were run by the young students here. That's how, they get independence. They will get courage to do more and more practice later on. My time is 10 minutes. I think I'm already coming near to the end. So with all this, I'm extremely delighted that I got an opportunity to come and speak to you here. And I'm pleased to see all these students very nicely seated and doing all that is required to be done in future. Thanks a lot.
स्ववचनैः अस्मान् प्रबोधितवान् श्री मधुसूदन भट् महोदयः. तस्मै हृदयपूर्वकं धन्यवादान् समर्पयामि.
ರಕ್ಷೆಯ ನೂಲನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟುತನಲಿವರು ಸ್ನೇಹ ಜೇನಿನಾಂಗ. ಇಂದು ಭೂಮಿಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿ ಸಂಘರಾಗ. ರಕ್ಷೆಯ ನೂಲನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟುತನಲಿವರು ಸ್ನೇಹ ಜೇನಿನಾಂಗ. ಒಂದೇ ನಾಡಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಾವು ಭಾವನೆ ಮನದಾಗ. ರಕ್ಷಾಬಂಧನ ರಕ್ಷೆಯ ದ್ಯೋತಕ ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಡಿನಾಗ. ಅಂಗಡವ ಮರೆತು ದೇಶದಾಗ ಭಾರತ ಖಂಡದ ಜನಮನ ತಣಿದಿದೆ.